Titiro, look, here comes Tamanui Te Rā. Morena, Mr. Sun. Morena, Papa Rākau. Kia ora, my name is Koka. Here in the forest with me, the 5 Patupaerehe. Let's go and meet them. Time to wake up, Tākaro tribe. Kia ora, Kōrua. What are you doing?
Kia ora, Koka. We're painting.
What are you both painting?
I'm painting a picture of Pūkeko, and Pūkeko is painting a picture of me. We're having lots of fun, but there's just one problem.
What's the problem, E?
We've only got pango, black paint. We don't have other tai colours.
What other Thai colours do you need?
Whiro, red for Pūkeko's beak and for his legs, and kikorangi, blue for his body. Love what you two are doing, E. I really like Pūkeko's picture. I really like E's painting. They're both really good, but more Thai colours would make them even better. That's what I said to Koka. How can we make other Thai colours?
Kei te pai, Tākaro tribe. Let's work together to find a way. Why don't you all work together to make some other colours for your paintings?
But how, Koka?
Perhaps Papa Rākau can help.
Just a minute, guys. Let's take our paintings with us.
Yeah, good idea. That will help Papa Rākau help all of you. Ka pai, Tākaro tribe. Safe travels.
Tamariki mā, noho mai, ki aku kakiaka, makarongo mai, ki ngā kōrero, o te ao marama. Aure.
Kia ora, Tākaro tribe. It's good to see you all today.
Kia ora, Papa.
What do you two have there?
Paintings. I'm painting a picture of Pūkeko, and he's painting a picture of me. But E is feeling sad. We don't have any other Thai colours. I really need whiro, red paint for Pūkeko's beak and his legs. Can you help us, Papa Rākau?
Yes, I can. I know a place where you'll find everything you need.
Are there coloured paints there?
you'll find everything you need to make coloured paints. Coloured flowers, coloured berries, and kōkōwai as well.
What's kōkōwai, Pāparākau?
It's a type of red clay used to colour things red in the old days.
What about Waipuroporo? Purple.
Good question, you should ask the ngahere.
Ka pai, Pāparākau. E te wānui e hora nei, tēnei te mauri ka whakapiki, ko te mauri o ngā tamariki a tāne mā. Te mauri ka puta ki te whaiau, ki te ao mārama. Haumie, huie, tai ki e. Ko te reta ra.
There you are, your first clue. Off you go. Good luck.
Ka kite.
Aha ka mana para tawa ngā pā, e heke mene pere te wenepe, I hiki mini ki tiwi ni whi, o hoko mona pora tawa ngā pō, a e, I o uhuku muna piri tūna
How about this place?
I can see some hua kikorangi, blue berries. And I see some clay. It's whiro. Red. Just what you need, eh?
Now work together, mahitahi, to make coloured paints.
By crushing the whiro, red kōkōwai, we can make red paint. By crushing the kikorangi, blueberries, we can make blue paint. Yay, Pukeko! We've got whiro, red paint for your beak and your legs. I like Pukeko's whiro, red beak and legs. Oh, but we still don't have Waipuroporo purple.
Maybe the forest has given you a clue.
What letters are in our kete, ah?
Can you read what it says?
Ra, a, ne, u. Ra, nu, ranu.
That's exactly right, Tāgaro tribe. Ranu. Mix.
Ngahere helped us out a lot. We need to ranu, mix colours to make other colours. They made Waipuroporo purple paint. Now Pukeko can paint ears, hair and clothes purple.
Ka pai, Tāgaro tribe. Mahitahi, and the job gets done.
Kia ora, Pāparākau. We've come back.
Welcome back. Did you find the place I talked about?
We found it, Pāparākau. There were kikorangi berries and kōkōwai whiro.
And Pukeko's paintings are beautiful.
The ngahere helped us to ranu, mix whiro and kikorangi and made Waipuroporo purple paint.
That was a big help from the forest. What colour are Pukeko's beak and legs?
Whiro, my favourite colour.
Ka pai, let's take a look at some things that are whiro, red.
Wehina.
Whiro. Whiro. He whiro.
I think think it's time for you all to visit Koka.
Kia ora, tangariki mā. Tohu mai ki taku taha. Taha mai ki tā koka taha. Tihei mauri ora.
What a busy day you've had, Tākaro tribe.
We did! It was so much fun! We worked together to make paint and to rannu, mix other colours. And Pukeko and I were able to finish our paints. We'd like to thank everyone.
Shall we look at the things you did? E and Pukeko were painting each other, but only had black paints. The ngahere helped you learn how to mix colours. You worked together to make coloured paint, then E and Pukeko were able to finish their paints. How do you all feel now?
We feel happy! Happy!
What a fun day, Tākaro tribe. Time to say goodnight. Pōmarie. Good night, Tākaro tribe.
Horoia tō mata, parai he hia o niho. Kuhuna o kakamoe pōmari e kuhu ki te moinga. Takoto iho ki raro e pai ai o moe moe